Hello and welcome to this Excel tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at the count function. Now it's very similar to the sum function, except it can also work with text. So how does it differ to the sum function? Well, with the sum function you would have, say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, and the sum would count 15. Where the count of that is 5, because you have 5 different cells. So that's the difference between count and sum. How does it work? Well, as you can see here, it works in exactly the same way as a sum. So let's go through a few examples. Let's move that to the side. And let's say you wanted to count this equals count and then drag over the range and press enter. There we go, 25. And we can see quite clearly that it's 25. So what if you wanted to apply that to text cells? So let's do that. Count A. Let's count this. 25. So what happens if you do that over a range of numbers and text? Works. You see, it starts as a text, and then it takes that as a text, and then it moves on to the next text throughout the entire range. So what if you wanted to count any spaces there are? So count blank over the range, and there is 0. So what happens if someone else comes in and touches your data and leaves it in a right mess, does this? So you could have this as a check above there, and you can see straight away that someone else has come in and ruined it. I think that's a very useful function indeed. So as well as those, you have count ifs, so the range, and then the criteria. I haven't added any criteria. And you can do the same thing with count ifs, and then you just have criteria, range, meeting criteria. It's a very useful function, and what makes it really good is it can be used for both text and number cells. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you.